Hey gang, thank you for tuning in to Ski Play Live TV. I'm Jill and I am washing my van. I think this may be the first time I physically wash my van outside of it getting snowed on or rain. And one of the things that I wanted to concentrate on is cleaning my solar panels. Now, if you check with the manufacturers, they will say that you shouldn't really need to clean your solar panels, but we're going into winter. There's going to be snow piled up on top of it. Some of it's going to be dirty snow. If I go down to Salt Lake, they have an inversion, so that's kind of smog. And I store away my van in the wintertime, and I don't want it to get all gnarly and rusty and all that stuff. So I want to kind of make sure that it's clean before I kind of park it for the winter. One of the things you have to kind of understand is that when you are cleaning your solar panels, you have to be very, very careful not to lean on them, not to use anything abrasive. You could cause micro fractures. Coming out to the Old Miner Express car wash requires lots of coins. So I have my piggy bank. During the winter, whenever I have change, it goes into this piggy bank, and usually it's used to yard sale, but today it's going to be used for this car wash. It's $3.50. That's a lot of coins for just 4 minutes, and I have a feeling it's probably going to take me at least 10 minutes to wash my very, very dirty van. Yeah. Most solar panels are self-sustaining, meaning they're pretty much low maintenance. Even with a little bit of dirt, you're still going to have the effectiveness that you need to charge your batteries. However, after a while, dirt and other things like bird poop can build up on your solar panels, and you just like to get it all clean. It doesn't take much to clean your solar panels. Some water, dry brush. You can use a soft soap. Try not to use abrasives or harsh detergents because you don't want to have scratches. If your solar panels do get scratched, then they start causing shadows on the panels themselves, and you lose some of that effectiveness. You want to wash your solar panels on an overcast day, or early in the morning, or late in the evening. If there's bright sun right on your panels, it's going to cause the water that you're using to evaporate and then just spread the grime around. If you're washing with hard water, then you want to be careful to make sure that those mineral-laden water deposits are squeegeed off so that they're not there and they don't form deposits as the water dries. If you have oily stains on your panels and you'd like to remove that, try using some isopropyl alcohol instead of, obviously, water. If you see dirt on your panels, then it's probably time to give them a clean. But if you don't really, then you should leave them alone. Why fix something that ain't broke?